In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to unblock accounts on Facebook. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. When you're at your Facebook feed, I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right so you can go to your profile. Now, when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right function at the gear icon. Now, when you're at settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section that is called audience and visibility. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and click on the second to the last, which is blocking. When you click on blocking here, you will have a list of accounts, individual, professional, as well as pages that you previously blocked. Okay, now we have an option to quickly unblock by simply clicking unblock. Very easy, guys, very simple. You can go through this manually, or simply you can search for a particular account on your feed, find the account, go on the page, and then click unblock. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.